Hey there, this is Dr. Jill Wener here. I'm one of the co-founders of TransforMD, and I want to talk with you today. We've been getting a lot of emails from people like, what's different about TransforMD? Why is this mastery retreat? What is a mastery retreat even? And why is this something that I want to do? How is it different from other wellness conferences? And a lot of people have worked with me, and a lot of people have worked with my co-founder, Marjorie Stiegler, in various capacities. And they want to know, like, if I've already worked with you, what's going to be the difference with TransforMD? Why should I take my valuable time away from my family and away from my job to come to Mexico for 4 nights? So first off, let's just state the obvious. It's in Mexico for 4 nights in January. So it is at an adults-only, all-inclusive luxury resort, Excellence Playa Mujeres. This is where people go on their honeymoons. It is amazing. The food's incredible. It's all-inclusive. It's so wonderful and relaxing. And we have some extra free time this year that we've scheduled into the retreat agenda. So you'll have even more time to enjoy it. So, like, first off, early January, middle of winter, you want to be in Mexico. I know right now it's the dead of summer and you aren't really thinking that way, but it is. So what's different about this? So if you've worked with Marjorie on any of her online courses or seen her videos, you're getting just a glimpse of her power. Working with her in person, getting to see how she interacts with people. She'll take your resume and she'll spin it into this magical thing where you're like, how did she even know? Like, I didn't know I was that good. She helps you see the potential of what it is that you do. And her workshops that she does are amazing. So even if you've worked with her on some of her other courses, you're going to get, there's so many layers and so much depth to her knowledge. There's so much more that she has to offer. And being with her in person is just really, the energy is amazing. And then TransforMD is really, it's the whole package. So if you've been on my meditation retreats before or taken my class, I do teach that same course on the TransforMD Mastery Retreat. So if you've taken the course before, it's always good to hear that from a new set of experience and a new level of consciousness. But if you haven't taken it, what it adds to TransforMD is it helps you tap into your intuition, and it helps take you out of stress mode and out of survival mode, and it actually is changing your body's physiology from stress mode into relax mode, parasympathetic mode, so that you can tap into your intuition and calm down that inner critic and really tap into what it is that you want to be doing with your life. And that's the whole point of TransforMD. We want women physicians who are unhappy and unfulfilled in any aspect of their professional lives. They may want to stay in clinical medicine. They may want to do more research or more clinical or more administrative work, or they want to get promoted faster, or maybe there's a side gig they want to do a little bit more, or maybe they just want to do it as a side gig, or maybe they want to transition to doing that out of clinical medicine. It really doesn't matter, but it's tapping into what it is that you truly align with. What are your values? Not what other people think your values should be, but what are they actually? And helping give you the practical tools to put into place a life that you want and a life that fulfills you. And you can't do that if you're in survival mode. It's really hard to do that at home in your own life. That's why we ask you to come away with us for 4 nights. And you're in the company of these incredible women physicians who all want the same thing. And the results are just really explosive. So you have the meditation component of it. And don't worry if you don't think you know how to meditate, or even if you think you do know how to meditate. Conscious health meditation is totally different from other types of mindfulness meditation that you may have tried. And mindfulness is amazing, but this is a whole next level. It's sort of the Cadillac of meditation practices. So you combine that with addressing self-limiting beliefs, which we do a lot of, and that's not often something that you see. You can't make changes if you have subconscious thoughts that are limiting you. So we address self-limiting beliefs. We have several different activities for that, plus the meditation, plus the amazing workshops about branding and tuning into your true values and how to learning how to communicate your personal brand, your value proposition, all these amazing things that we all do. And Marjorie and I are with you the entire time. This isn't a panel of one after another guest speakers. Marjorie and I are with you at every single session, watching and nurturing you and guiding you through the process. And we do have an incredible one guest speaker. She's not really a guest speaker. She's part of our family. It's Nicole Peoples. She's a specialist in functional medicine, and she helps with goal setting and also some of the addressing limiting belief components. So, and she'll be there doing some mindfulness eating sessions and overall providing her expertise and support. So the three of us are there with you all the time. There's no podiums, there's no conference rooms, there's no PowerPoint. This is workshop, individualized attention, and it is absolutely transformative and incredible. So if you think you know everything that you have, if you think you've gotten everything you can from Marjorie and from me and from Nicole, you can't even put into words. I've just tried, but you can't put into words how powerful this experience is. So we have this incredible special going now. If you bring a roommate and you register with a roommate, you will each save $435. That's our early bird pricing that we have extended because I know it can be hard to get time off this far in advance. So bring a friend, register with a friend, and you can save $435 through a week from Monday. That's Monday, August 5th. We are so excited to have you there. If you want to check out the testimonials from last year, that's on our website. That's transformed.org, transformd.org/testimonials. It was amazing, and we're so excited to bring it to you again. Have a wonderful day.